welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be just messing around with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I bought it yesterday. I was staring at it for like the past week and I was like, should I? And so I finally did. This is what it looks like, and that's what the back looks like. So my idea for today, for what I'm going to do with it, is I think I'm going to mess with the purples and blues. Let's get started. So as always, we're going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. And now we are going to use the CoverGirl Fit Me concealer and carve out my eyebrows. Now my eyebrows are just about even, so we can get started with blending up the concealer. And I have a little redness in some areas, so we're just gonna lighten that up a little bit with the concealer. Now that I look like a partial ghost, let's go in with the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse foundation. I'm gonna put some on my ears because my ears are way AF. I have been doing that in some previous videos. You might catch that I dabbed the foundation on my ears because I don't really think my ears ever get that much sunlight, to be honest. So they are whiter than my arms and back and legs and chest. Now we're on to contour. I mentioned this in a previous video, but I think this was part of a NYX duo thing. Like it had a contour and a highlight, but I used all the highlight a while ago, so I just have the contour part. And today we're gonna contour a lot. I feel like really going into that today. I feel like when I say I'm contouring a lot, that just means I'm contouring my nose and my chin. And I'm gonna go in, be extra, and contour my Cupid's bow, my double chin. I need new brushes. I think that's what I'm going to invest in soon, because this one got bent somehow, but I'm gonna still make the most of it. And yeah. Now we're going to contour my cheekbone. I do kind of like a dabbing, but also like sweeping motion at the same time. I know some people just believe in just dabbing, but I don't think that really does the work for me. So I do dabbing and sweeping at the same time. Don't forget about my chin. There's a couple times where like I do my makeup and I totally forget to contour my chin, and then my sister will catch it because she'll be driving with me most of the time. She's like, "What's that brown line on your chin?" I'm like, "Oh shoot, I forgot to freaking contour my, or like blend it out. I forgot to blend out my contour on my chin," which happens a lot because I'm just forgetful. And now we are going to be using my crusty, dusty blush and highlight thing. It was like very cheap. I think I got it from like Target or something. No, not Target. I got it from, what's that place called? TJ Maxx. Because they always have cheap makeup stuff that I just like going to get. Just cause, why not, you know? Not everything has to be name brand or expensive. Plus I'm kind of cheap. I think I need to blend out my nose a little bit more. Because the lines look a little harsh, just a little bit. We're going to go in with my base, which will be, I think it's called Silk Cream. Yeah, it looks like it's called Silk Cream. Oh, do you guys want to see it? Okay, so this is Silk Cream. There's really one called Pukey. This is kind of confusing. I can't really... Okay. Alright, I think we're gonna go with the one called Pooter. It's just a little bit darker than Silk Cream. Alright, so we're going to take the color Jada, which is this color, and we're going to take it in this line. I mean, kind of like above my crease. And we're going to build it up with the same color closer to the crease. Not taking it up that far. And we're going to do that with the other side. One more time going through with it. And then next we are going to be going in with Twerk, which is this color. I'm just deepening the intensity in my crease, and before, I don't know if I'm going to get fallout or not, but I'm just going to use my setting powder. I don't have a translucent powder, but this will work the same way and helping with fallout. So I'm just going to dip this here. Ooh, that's a lot. We are gonna go in with purple right here. We're just gonna test it, see how it looks. And it's called Royalty. We are gonna go in with black. It's called Abyss, and it looks like this. So now that we have both eyes done, I had to redo this one because it just was not good. So now we are going to add a pop of color, like vibrant color in the center. So we are gonna cut that out. So we're just gonna let this dry for a second and then we'll put some color on. I think it's pretty dry now, so we are gonna go in with some color. I don't have setting spray right now, so I'm just gonna lick this brush. It's a flat brush, just so it gets some moisture on it and so it can stick more. And we're gonna scoop up the color Pool Party, and it is this color right here, and we're gonna stick it on. Okay, so I want this to transition a little, so I'm taking the dark blue color, which is called Twerk. I'm taking Twerk and I'm going to blend it out a little. I'm just building it up a little. Trying to make the transition more natural, I guess. More blendy. Now we're gonna go back in with Abyss, the black color. And we are going to just go the inner corner right here. So I think the most part, this is done. So I don't think we're gonna have any more fallout. We're gonna take this and just brush it off. I had a little bit of fallout, but not a lot. So now we're going to take this little brush right here, and we are going to take the color Twerk, which is the dark blue color, and we are going to go on our bottom lash line. I'll come in a little closer so you guys can see better. So again, this is the darker blue color, and we're just putting it on our lash line. And we're going to do this the other side. Now we're going to take the purple color. It is called Royalty. So we're going to take the purple color, and we're going to put it at the end of this right here. And we're going to do that to the other side. And we're going to take Abyss, the black color. We're going to put it at the end. Now we're going to take the color Jada, and we're going to do the inside of it. So we're going to, I'm pulling this because I have a crease right here. So we're just going to do this part right here. So we are almost done with my eye look. Very dramatic. Now we need to do my mascara. I'm not sure what kind of lipstick I want to wear, just because I don't want to throw off the look or anything. We'll try a few things, and if they don't work out, then they don't work out. Actually, I like how this looks, so we won't try anything else. Before I put my lashes on, we're gonna use setting powder everywhere. Now we're gonna do some lashes, and I'm gonna use my Kiss lashes. The glue I use for my falsies is Duo. So we're just gonna wait for the glue to dry on this. So I have that eyelash on. this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna call this look Deep Under the Sea from Little Mermaid. I have the song stuck in my head right now, but for some reason my eye look just really reminds me of the Little Mermaid, so that's what I'm going to call this look, is Deep Under the Sea. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I really love this eye look. I love it, I love it, I love it. But anyways, please like the video if you liked it. If you didn't, that's okay. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet. Hopefully I can give you guys a vlog or something while I'm in Minnesota. I am planning on going to a powwow while I'm in Minnesota in Grand Portage, and also visit one of my cousins who live there this coming weekend. So I hope to give you guys a video or two while I'm in Minnesota. Hopefully my grandpa has internet, because that's where I'm staying while I go to Minnesota. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. As always, see you guys next time.